What we want to do here first is we want to remove the gasket section here that's around the frame. You can see the big pieces of foam that are just pretty much dried up and rotted. A lot of those are just going to kind of fall away. We can just kind of pick a lot of that off and set that in the cone. The key here for the gasket removal though, which is where we normally start as we clean the frame first, is a utility knife like this, and we want to work in to the adhesive and foam area right along the edge here. I'm trying to kind of tilt it so the camera can see it there for you, and we're going to work in here with this blade all the way around the frame, basically turning the speaker like this as we work so that we can remove the gasket. Later on we'll show you how to use the rubbing alcohol to clean the cone, and we'll do the gasket section first and kind of go from there. So we'll start at one particular spot. Just pick a spot there and you work the blade in like this and just start to kind of spin, and I'll try to tilt this up so you can see it. My hand's kind of in the way there. Just work the blade around the gasket like this, a little bit of force, and then it becomes very easy. You can hear that the blade has gone all the way through the old glue bond, and the gasket is starting to lift up easily like this. If you have some areas that are kind of sticking, you can come in with your blade like this as well, and that kind of breaks any of the glue that's in the corner of the frame that's holding the gasket in place. So at this point you'll see the gasket comes off in one piece. There's a little foam residue on the back, but we have a good gasket that we can reuse here for the repair, which is nice. The back of this gasket, of course, will need to be cleaned as well. So we'll come in here and basically just start to peel any of the big pieces away like this. You can use the speaker to kind of hold some of that if you'd like, or sometimes I'll just kind of move the speaker out of the way, and then I'll work down on my bench area here. I'll kind of move this kit out of the way and come in here like this and just kind of scrape and peel the old foam and glue from the back of the gasket section here all the way around. This will take a little bit of time, so just take your time with it. And a lot of times on these Cerwin Vega gaskets, they're just made of a layered paper, so it's easy just to kind of peel the bottom section of paper off, and this is what you're after right here. So we'll finish cleaning this up and we'll come back and then show you how to do the frame as well. We'll clean up our mess here, and then we'll get finished up on that part of it and show you how to glue the new parts.